Right. Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming here today to the Open Source AI Summit. My name is Peng. I'm the founder of Stanford Blockchain Accelerator and also founder of a conference called BAS, Blockchain Application Stanford Summit, affiliated to Stanford Blockchain Conference. And also I teach Web3 entrepreneurship at Stanford and a founding partner of Blockchain Builders Fund. So welcome to the summit today. And as you can see, we have a very impressive, crazy lineup of speakers. They're like the most impressive and topmost thought leaders in the space, in the crypto AI and open source AI space. They'll be here to share like some of the most cutting edge, the latest topics and thoughts and trends in the open source AI and also the crypto AI space. So definitely very excited and looking forward to the talks, keynotes, and panels today. That being said, would like to also mention that Erica is a host of this event. KryptoPlanet, Erica Com, is a host of the Open Source AI Summit, and also is co-hosted with Near Protocol and sponsored by Rimfence, Masa, Jensen, Exabits, Vana, Akash Network, Nethermind, Zetablock, OLS, and also the partners, which include Stanford, BAS, and SBA, and Black Dragon Capital. So we'd like to thank all the sponsors and the co-hosts to make this event possible. That being said, let's welcome also Erica Kong, who couldn't make to the event here in Singapore, to deliver a special message.
Hello, this is Erica Kang from KryptoPlanet and Black Dragon Capital, who is the host of Open Source AI Summit. Thank you so much for being here, despite the event craze in Singapore. I'm really sad that I cannot be there to greet you in person and to see this all coming into place. As you can see, I am in a hospital about to build a baby. So wish me luck, but hopefully the event goes well. We're under good control. Kun from Stanford BAS is helping, so thank you so much for helping me out. Also, Bianca and Stephanie from Near, thank you so much and for co-hosting the event with me. Also to amazing sponsors and speakers who made this happen, really. And I think we have the most amazing curation and in terms of open source AI topic. And hope you enjoy the entire event because we have a very full stack of amazing talks and panels relating to the topic. And yeah, so thank you for being there and here with me to witness this event with me, and stay tuned for the next one in Bangkok in November. That should also be very good, and hopefully I can see you IRL in upcoming summits. But thank you, and be sure to enjoy on my behalf. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much, Erica, and I'm pretty sure she will see the recording afterwards for putting together the event all the speakers, and coordinating all the logistics, and being so dedicated and recording this video, although she was already in the hospital. That being said, we'll start the official program of the summit. So first, let's welcome to stage Alex Skidanov, co-founder of Near AI and Near Protocol. The title of the talk is A Path to Open Web and User-Owned AI. Let's welcome him.